Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download your Etsy digital prints from your iPhone or iPad. I learned recently that you cannot do it through the actual Etsy ad, but you actually have to do it through your web browser. So I'm going to show you how. The first thing you're going to do is log in. You're going to go to the top right. You're going to click on your profile. You're going to click on purchases and reviews, and it's going to take you to this page. You're then going to click on the item that you want, and then in the top right corner, you're going to click on digital files. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're going to select the file that you want. It'll show you the portal, and then you'll click on the click here link, which will take you to this page. You'll sign into your Canva, and then you'll have the ability to edit the design as you will on your phone. You can even print it from your phone as well.